I forgot to press record the other day when I was doing vlogs. It was fucking retarded. Anyway, hi guys, Em Roberts, no, Mike Roberts even here. So today we are on our way to my old uni as they have their summer show today. And basically I'm just going to vlog today, show you some really awesome exotic animals that they keep at the uni. They've got like reptiles, birds of prey, meerkats, reindeers, like really exotic magpies and like birds.
No, the magpies are gone, that's where the meerkats are now.
Oh, I see, okay. There won't be any exotic magpies.
Birds of prey?
Yeah, I've said birds of prey, parrots, those other things. So yeah, currently on the A3.
They're having a birds of prey show.
Oh yeah, I'll record that, like birds of prey. Do you reckon I'll get on it? Do you reckon I'll be like Marina and let me do some birds of prey shit?
I don't think so.
Yeah, she will.
You have no birds of prey training whatsoever.
Yeah, I did. Marina loves me as well, so she might do.
You don't know how to fly a bird?
Yes, I do. You just fucking have it on your hand, get a bit of chicken, a bit of dead chicken, shoot it off, and then call it back on that little windy thing and be like,
okay.
Go and get your chicken. Anyway, we're on our way. Oh, we're driving there, what was that? Anyway, we're going, at the moment we're going to go and pick up our, a couple of other friends as well that obviously went to the uni, Joe and Loz, so we're on our way there now. We need to go get some cash out and I need to get petrol.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoy it and I will see you later. You gonna say bye? So we're currently outside Joe's house, waiting for Joe. Let's show you her house.
Exciting.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I can see movement. I can definitely see movement now. You can probably hear her as well. No, she's going back in. Quite amusing, she hasn't noticed yet.
Why are you taking pictures, you creep? He's started doing a vlog.
Hello. My brother was asking.
That was really funny.
Why have you got some pervert sitting outside your house taking pictures?
Because that was really funny.
Love that.
You thought it was real.
Completely head shock.
Right guys, so basically we're in the reptile section. Yes. Because it's jokes. What's in there? Oh, salamanders or newts.
Times louder.
Charlie! I remember Charlie.
I totally thought Charlie died.
So did I, for some reason.
It's not where I'd have him. Shit, her. When she comes up to the glass, you can get up to here.
I totally thought Charlie died.
And they've still got the Maclock.
And the Maclock's in there.
She does look a lot smaller than I remember her.
She's over there, isn't she? Whoa! They never had that before. Jesus. It's an absolute beast.
I feel much better about the bearded dragon and king toad now. It's bigger, and they've got all the hooks and tongs on proper hooks.
Look at the little tilts. Oh, look at that one. Is that putty? Oh, it's had shell rot.
We know what we're doing.
Oh my god, they have sugar gliders.
Yeah, we're living on.
Oh yeah, other number, quite a few numbers.
Yeah.
I want to see the sugar glider.
Oh yeah.
Dory. I don't think we're going to see many teachers. Oh god. Oh god.
Rats. Oh.
You what?
Should we ask her?
Oh, the helicopter flights are up there, Joe.
Let's go.
The helicopter flights are up there.
Do you know what the other thing is? Oh, okay.
I think that's just food up there.
Oh, I'll go for this apple.
Where's Amy gone?
Oh, it's behind you.
Oh, she's there. All right.
You were like me with Lost. Oh my god, where's Lost?
Are you having fun, Joe?
I'm having the best time ever.
You sounded that was so sarcastic.
I have spent £11 so far.
Yeah, but that rap was absolutely amazing.
Should we go ride the horses?
That's not a real horse.
I'm not seeing a horse. It's terrifying.
All right. How much do you reckon the helicopter flights are?
Donkey ride for £1. Oh, can I have the lighter again? Oh, I broke my nose.
It's like, I haven't got it.
Oh god,
To be fair, I think I would kill the donkey if I got on it. She said hello to the donkeys.
Oh, look at it. Oh, right. Oh, hello, donkey.
He's not happy, donkey.
Would you like some Sprite?
I don't think he's going to bite you.
I said Sprite.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggle, 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 yeah.
Wiggle, 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 yeah.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Look how skinny that one is over there.
Oh, look at the baby.
Yeah. I do the wiggle, mate. I do the wiggle,
Hello, donkey.
Yeah.
Man, they stink.
B-E-A beautiful.
Oh, he wants some proper munchy.
He wants my booty.
I haven't got any polo.
Going up shortly, but we have got
A wait list.
6 flights already.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be about
Oh, that's fine. Just
Yeah?
to farm down.
Yeah.
what does one of yours say?
Harwood. Yeah.
Telephone number?
They're going on a helicopter ride.
Turbo. You guys not doing it?
Nah, mate, skin.
Money.
So you're paying 35 each.
Yes.
You excited, Joe?
Yeah.
Hang on. How was that?
That was amazing.
He did this like, he says it's basically doing a handbrake turn going 125 miles an hour in a helicopter. It just went like this and we started going round and we were like,